Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to enable call waiting on this device. So first you should go to the phone app, and here on the right upper corner tap to the three dots or to the more icon. And now just go to the settings, and here tap to the calling accounts, and here go to the settings of our Virgin Mobile. And here just tap to the additional settings, and as can you see here we got the call waiting switcher. Just to enable the call waiting, tap here once on the switcher, and that's it. And now during your call you'll notified of the incoming calls. And if you just want to turn off this option, just tap here again on the switcher and wait a few seconds, and as can you see we just disable the call waiting on your device. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.